Hi, 7th grade. It's Mrs. Carroll, and good morning or good afternoon, whenever you're reading this. Happy Tuesday. I just wanted to show you all a couple of things this morning for our Tuesday. So the first is, okay, so when you go to classwork, remember to click all topics because that is going to keep things way more organized than if you do it by week. So if I do by week, see how it gets like long, it posts all this stuff. But if you do all topics, it's going to keep things more like this. See how you just see the little icons here on the side? So it just keeps things tidier. This is what we've got going for today. Today's Monday, so you guys saw the weekly overview, you saw our assignment and our chat. You guys, I feel like every day pretty much I'm going to be doing an assignment and a chat. I think chats are fun. I can ask fun questions and we can just have a little interaction together as a class. So please do that. I give you guys 10 points for doing that. It's kind of like just a little daily work thing. And then the assignment, I will continue to just list like I did today. Let me hit view assignment. Not that. There we go. What you guys have to do. Sometimes it's a little bit long, but you can do it. You can read it. And then I attach what you guys need. So looking at what we're doing today, let's see if I can pull it. It's not published yet, so it's going to be this light gray. So we've got our classroom chat and we've got our assignment. So under assignment today, we are going to be having our Wordly Wise, I'm going to call it a quiz on Wednesday. So you'll be seeing this on Tuesday. So I'm going to say tomorrow, Wednesday, you'll be having a quiz on Quizlet. And so, well, not on Quizlet, you'll have a quiz on Wordly Wise 11. I want you to practice on Quizlet. So I'm going to show you something on Quizlet right here. I want you, and I don't know why it says sports flashcards, just ignore this. It is the correct list that I've linked for you. So when you come in here, you see these 5 options for study and you see several options for play. My goal is for you all to be doing 5 of these. You can do these 2 for play. Sorry, we can't do live anymore. And you can do some study. I don't care as long as it's a combination of 5. And I'm going to be checking on tomorrow, Wednesday, to make sure that all of you've done 5. And see, I can go right here and I can see the progress for our class. So I can see that some of you, quite a few of you, have been working on it. So good job. Some of you have already done 5 or even 6. So you're set. You can review today on Quizlet, but you certainly don't have to if you feel like you've got a good handle on the words. Tomorrow's quiz for Wordly Wise 11 will be on it will be a Google form and it will be multiple choice type questions. So I want to see that you've done at least 4 and I can look and see. So please do that. And so that's Quizlet. The next thing is you guys did an awesome job writing stories for me. So I chose 4 and put them on a Google Doc activity form for us today. It's right here. And you're just going to go and open that and you're going to read stories from 4 of your classmates, and then I've got some activities for you to do. And then we have 2 grammar exercises. They're not going to be too hard. They're good review though. We have this test coming up on Friday. So those are there at the end of this document. So do the entire document and then remember to click turn in so that you submit it to me. You need to make sure you hit turn in. So Wordly Wise, capitalization subject. Yep, that's all we're doing for today in our class. I'm praying for you guys and for your families. I know this is a whole lot of adjustment and I sure do miss your smiling faces. And I will be sending you a little video of Roxy and all her cuteness. And if you hear someone like heavy breathing in the room with me right now, if you've noticed that, it's my dog. She's asleep and she's really, really noisy when she sleeps. So I'm sure if you all have pets, they're very happy for you to be at home. And I hope that you guys just have a super awesome day. Talk to you later. Bye.